Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where we guide you with clarity, accuracy, and God's purpose as you navigate global opportunities. Today's video is for internationally educated nurses looking to relocate to British Columbia, Canada, one of the fastest growing provinces with a major demand for nurses in 2025 and 2026. We will cover IEN pathways, employers hiring now, requirements, salaries, and key steps. Let's begin. Section 1. Why BC needs international nurses. British Columbia is experiencing an aging population, nurse shortages across hospitals and long-term care, increased demand for mental health and community care, expanding cities like Vancouver, Surrey, Kelowna, Victoria. According to health workforce forecasts, BC needs thousands of new nurses over the next 5 years. Because of this, IENs are now a major priority for recruitment. Section 2. Who can apply as an IEN in BC? You can apply if you are a registered nurse, RN, a registered psychiatric nurse, RPN, a nurse with valid international registration, a nurse preparing for, a nurse working toward BCCNM requirements, international nurses from Nigeria, India, UK, Philippines, UAE, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, and more are welcome, as long as they meet the registration process. Section 3. BC employers hiring IENs. These are the main health authorities recruiting internationally. All links go to official government or employer portals. 1. Vancouver Coastal Health, VCH. Hospitals in Vancouver, Richmond, North Shore. Roles: MedSurg, ER, Mental Health, LTC. 2. Fraser Health Authority, Surrey, Burnaby, Abbotsford, Langley, Coquitlam, one of BC's biggest international recruiters. 3. Provincial Health Services Authority, PHSA, BC Cancer, BC Children's Hospital, Mental Health Facilities. 4. Island Health, Victoria, Nanaimo, Courtenay, Campbell River, very IEN-friendly. 5. Interior Health, Kelowna, Kamloops, Penticton, rural regions, often easier to secure interviews. 6. Northern Health, Prince George, Terrace, Dawson Creek. Less competition, more opportunities for IENs. These employers regularly post roles labeled Registered Nurse, Internationally Educated, IEN Opportunity, New Graduate RN, General Duty Nurse. Section 4. Salary expectation in BC. Registered nurses in BC earn approximately $40 to $55 per hour. This equals $80,000 to $110,000 plus per year depending on years of experience, degree level, specialty, ICU, ER, or earn more. Location, rural incentives available. Many positions also include relocation assistance. Section 5. How to become a licensed nurse in BC. British Columbia uses the NCAS plus BCCNM pathway for IENs. Step 1. Credential Assessment, NCAS. You will complete computer-based exam, simulation lab, English communication evaluation. This helps determine what competencies you already have and what you still need. Step 2. Apply to BCCNM. The BC College of Nurses and Midwives reviews your NCAS results, your education, your work history, English test results, IELTS, CELPIP, or OET. They will tell you if you need bridging program, additional courses, clinical placement. Step 3. Complete bridging program, if required. These help IENs adjust to Canadian practice. PSIT IEN program, Kwantlen Polytechnic IEN program, Okanagan College bridging courses. Step 4. Receive provisional license. This allows you to work under supervision, gain local experience, prepare for full registration. Step 5. Get full RN registration. Once you meet BCCNM requirements, you become a fully licensed nurse in BC. Section 6. Work Permit plus PR Pathways. 1. Work Permit Route. Many BC employers will support closed work permits, LMIA documentation, in some cases, relocation assistance. 2. BC Provincial Nominee Program, BCPNP. Healthcare workers can apply for Health Authority Stream, Skills Immigration Pathway. This can lead to PR in 12 to 24 months. 3. Express Entry, Federal. If you meet the points, you can apply through CC, FSW. Health-specific draws, increasing since 2023. Nurses are always in high demand, giving you strong PR chances. Section 7. Tips to get interview calls faster. Use these strategies to stand out. 1. Convert your CV to Canadian format. 2. Highlight Med-Surg, ICU, ER, or geriatric experience. 3. Show English proficiency. 4. Mention your NCAS/BCCNM stage. 5. State, available for virtual interview. 6. Apply to all 6 health authorities. Most IENs get their first interview from Fraser Health, Island Health, or Interior Health. Section 8. Final encouragement. If God placed the desire for Canada in your heart, He will order your steps. Every exam, every document, every delay, it is part of your preparation. Your journey will not be wasted. Your effort will open doors. Your destiny will speak. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives. Using this medium to say a big thank you to all our subscribers. Kindly subscribe if you have not. God Almighty bless you all.